You guys, this is amazing. I freaking love this shower head. Super easy to install. You can adjust this. You can move it up and down if you need to. It goes up or down. We like ours to go straight down. We did buy the extension here, so that way we can have it go straight down like that. And you got the sprayer here that works very well. It's got 3 different spray settings on it. This thing is awesome. We love it. Like, there's how it works. That's both of them. You can turn it so that way just the shower goes, or I think vice versa, but I know that you can for sure turn the sprayer off if you didn't want the sprayer on. But yeah, it's freaking awesome. And this has an adhesive thing that you can attach to the wall, so you don't have to have it plumbed here to use the sprayer. It's all one piece, which is great. So you don't need any extensive plumbing done in order to install this shower head. But it's been awesome. My husband and I, we love it.
Okay, so today we are going to see how the shower works. Oh my God. Let's see. There goes both of it together. And there's a knob at the top. Get up here. Turn the knob at the top. Then let me get a better view. That's the jet part. Let me that knob, that push right there. Flip it up and down to get a different setting. And then it comes out like so. And then turn both on. So that's one. The other one is off. And then you have both of it running. Like so. Bam. Bam. Oh yeah.
Okay, this is my new shower. The installing is very, very easy. It's not complicated. It's no leak help. Very nice. Remove that one for the germ essential. Yeah. Nice. Good. Covered. Very good. 5-star for me.
So I have a unique situation where the shower head has a piece that comes out here, right? And then the shower head itself comes up like this. So it was really short, so I added an extension by putting in an extra piece here. And then I added this piece up here. Now what that did was it gave me the ability to make my son's shower, a lot more durable and a lot more functional. So it's definitely a lot better. Highly recommend it, especially for the price. Works, functions fine. It's been over 2
love it. It's a rain shower.
Woohoo! Love this. Woo!
Oh man, I already took a shower today, damn it.
I wanted to show you already.